Other news, the jury has just gone home for the day without reaching a verdict in the trial of the man charged with shooting federal judge Terrence Berg.
Deliberations only began this afternoon, but before that, the man charged with pulling the trigger did take the stand. Steve Garagiola following that story for us tonight. He's got more. Steve?
Yeah, that was really the last bit of business this morning before the jury took the case. Kevin Smith testifying in his own defense, and he stands by his statements. I didn't do it. I wasn't there. Smith faces a list of charges, including assault with intent to commit murder, conspiracy to commit armed robbery, and armed robbery. But he holds firm in his contention that the gun used to shoot Judge Terrence Berg wasn't his. The prosecutor challenged, "Do you mean it wasn't yours, or that no one caught you with it?"
If that's what you're making it out to be, sir.
Mr. Smith, no one caught you with the Ruger today.
I'm telling you, I did not have a silver and black 9 Ruger. If you making
What
it out
color
to
was
be
the
whatever,
Ruger that you had that you were racking for Mr. Swindle?
It was all black.
Smith's defense attorney reminded the jury that Judge Berg has never positively identified Smith as the shooter. Smith's alleged co-conspirators, Robert Williams and Don Diego Adams, took plea deals and testified against Smith. Smith says they lied about him being there.
When I tell somebody that a person is testifying on me, then they automatically be like, oh, you know, he ratting or snitching. It was something that Robert Williams put me in that I actually did do, which was a jewelry store robbery, but like family homes, and I never got into that.
With no eyewitnesses offering a positive identification of Smith as the shooter, the decision for the jury comes down in part to whether or not they believe him. The prosecutor says Smith has too many inconsistencies in his story.
You're telling this jury we should believe what you say.
Correct.
Even though you lie.
No, I never lied.
Never lied. I don't have anything else, Judge.
So the jury has the case. They deliberated for about half a day. They will return to the Frank Murphy Hall of Justice tomorrow morning, bright and early, to resume deliberations. Carmen, Devin, back to you.
Steve, I know the jury had a few questions for the judge as they were deliberating.
Yeah, they really did. They wanted clarification on a few items of testimony during the trial, and the judge told them, I can't give you pieces of things. If you want the transcript from the entire trial, I can do that. I'll certainly do that, but that's going to take till like Wednesday morning. So in the meantime, use your best recollections as you deliberate. So we'll see what happens there, but the jury will continue tomorrow morning.
All right, Steve.